Hello everyone. In this session, I will show you how to create AWS free tier account. Okay, open your Google Chrome and search for AWS free tier. Okay, click on this link. So in this portal, it will shows what are the offers they are providing. See, always free and 12 months free and trial basis. At the same time, in free trial, what are the service they are providing and what are the services like products are available in AWS, they can show here. At the same time, if you want to create your free account, click on this button, create a free account. So it will navigate to the sign up page. Please provide your email address and then password and retype your password and then your account name and click on continue for the next step. So if the email ID is already exists, then you need to change it. Okay, and then enter your full name Vikrant and then phone number should be yours because it will send a communication alerts to your mobile number. Okay, I am giving a dummy phone number 984801234 and then select your state and region. I am in Indian and then address is Hyderabad, city also Hyderabad, state is Telangana, pin code number is 5,84. Accept this AWS customer agreement and click on continue for the next step. So this account type also you need to select. It's a personal. In the third step, it will ask your credit and debit card number to validate the account. So please enter your validation, all the things. Once everything is provided, then automatically your account will be created and the confirmation mail will be sending to your mailbox while when you are registering your account. That's it. Thanks for watching.